How to enable or disable save power during touch protection on in-game booster on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on game booster settings. Now in game booster settings, scroll down and you will see save power during touch protection is here. So if you want to enable save power during touch protection, so you will see turn on this button. After turn on this button, save power during touch protection is enabled. If you want to disable save power during touch protection, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see save power during touch protection is disabled. You will enable or disable save power during touch protection is enable or disable from here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable save power during touch protection in game booster on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.